now it's time for the final challenge, where questions will be thrown open to both teams. First one pressing the buzzer earns the right to answer after the school has been identified. They will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. Teams, good luck to you, and let's start off with local affairs. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person. That's St. John the Baptist.
Shaini Robinson.
Incorrect. That's Joyce Denise Daly, MP. Sports. What is the name of the horse that won the Triple Crown in Jamaica in 20? That's St. John the Baptist.
She's a man-eater. She's a man-eater.
In 2019, it's Supreme Soul. Bible knowledge. How many chapters can be found in the book of Revelation? St. John the Baptist.
26.
Incorrect, it's 22. Science. Complete this statement correctly. Plants use sunlight to make sugar by the process called? St. John the Baptist.
Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Correct. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of judge. That's Mona Heights.
Misjudge.
Correct. Music. To which specific family of instruments does the trombone, St. John the Baptist,
Brasswind.
belong? That is correct. General knowledge. What is the capital of Seychelles? That's Mona.
Victoria.
Correct. Television. This is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person. Laura Morano. Mathematics. If A divided by 0.03 is equal to 3,000, what is the value of A? It's 90. Social studies. What is the minimum wind speed in kilometers per hour that a storm must reach to attain hurricane status on the Saffir-Simpson wind scale? 119 kilometers per hour. Television. In the cartoon series Rugrats, what are the full names of the twin babies? St. John the Baptist.
Philip and Lily Pickles. Philip and Lily Pickles.
Incorrect. It's Philip and Lillian DeVille. Sports. This is a visual. Teams, look at the monitor and identify the person. That is St. John the Baptist.
Cornwash.
Incorrect. That's Jermaine Blackwood. Bible knowledge. In which chapter of the Psalms is the opening verse, "The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof"? Psalm 24. Science. What is the scientific name of the kneecap in that St. John the Baptist?
Patella.
In humans. That is correct. English language. Spell injurious. Mona?
Injurious.
Incorrect. Injurious. Music. What does the musical term dolce? That's St. John the Baptist.
Sweetly.
Dolce mean? That's correct. General knowledge. Tapas and paella are dishes which St. John the Baptist.
Spain.
In which European country? That is correct. Local affairs. Who is the Member of Parliament for Southeast St. Mary in Jamaica? That's Mona.
Morris Guy.
Incorrect. It's Dr. Norman Dunn. What is the sum? This is mathematics. What is the sum of 1.99 and 43.6? Mona?
45.59.
Correct. And that bell signals the end of today's match with the score showing Mona Heights on 20, St. John the Baptist on 28.